Hey, we've got a early 1980s Don Russ mystery pack. This is could be any one of their non-sports card series from the 70s and 80s. And it looks like we've got more Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band movie, Maurice Gibb performing in Heartland. Here we've got Billy Shears. Here's the whole band rocking out. Paul Nicholas as Dougie Shears. We got Beatty and Lucy ready to meet the LHCB. The parade for the benefit. And another Sandy Farina as Strawberry Fields. Now the backs of these cards are all part of a puzzle piece. You put them together and I guess it looks pretty cool. So, Don Russ Mystery Pack. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.